attitude, no remorse, cause I'm forced to be wild. It's a flavor, hated him since I was a child. So with no introduction necessary, I leave you lost in words while I toss my vocabulary. Legendary, the ghost from the cemetery. Now touching me is like you touching the sun. Now even if you could do it, you're growing in a minute. I'ma bring hell on earth like a blunt getting lit up. And a nigga with the bars, I better do it better. Who better than me, dog? Come up front, let me see you. I'ma put you in the body bag and nail you to business.
Bonafide, certified, I'm a go-getter. When I'm in the streets, people know I'm an indicator. Dizzy type, you go flex, I go sergeant pay me. Go educate, I know I'm go man, do the murder. 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 Do the murder.
Yeah, we stepping in now to shining like the stars. Flexing on the grind, driving fancy cars. Got their eyes on my wrist, diamonds dancing bright, living for the moment. Every day's a highlight, cash flow stacking. Yeah, we making moves in the spotlight. Watching how we grow from the bottom to the top. Now we're on the scene, hype's so real like the sun. Climbing higher, never looking back. Gonna grow with me, and we are stuck on the attack. Champagne popping, celebrate the wins. Every day's a blessing, let the good times begin. Social media pausing, they're all I want to glimpse. Let's start.
Certified, I'm